guys, look at this. I mean, look at the window on my window. That's how much snow fell. I mean, we're under a blizzard warning until noon. It's October 13th. This place is crazy. No school today. They sent us a message saying that the road crews have been up since, well, all night. They've been up since 8 p.m. last night working on getting the roads and the schools and the sidewalks cleared. And they haven't been able to keep up because the snow all came in last night from about 9 p.m. on. It's 8 a.m. now. It's crazy. My kids are happy. Well, Bella's not. She wanted to go to school.
Dad, saying, I took some videos. Saying, I'm sorry, no one can control their memory.
Yeah. Are you guys happy to be home?
Yeah. Kinda. Really cool myself by. So the reason why I said no one can control their memory is because I was still kind of mad about what it mean.
Yeah. I'm proud of you for realizing that it's all going to be okay, though. We're going to fix it.
I mean, won't Dad's paycheck cover $120? Even the windows.
$120? What are you doing for $120?
Dad accidentally bought the game on our account.
You still have to comb your hair today.
Mason didn't do this. No.
It.
What it is? That's.
No, man. That's what
Well, we got good news. We can get a refund.
Woohoo!
I just finished the CT. I'm getting ready to zap the room.
Does Duncan need me to go get him?
Well, that's what he's having maintenance go get him.
Oh, good.
Snow got through.
Oh my gracious. No, I think Hunter opened that door. What do you see? No. That's freaking cold. Shut that door.
Find Hunter.
Hunter's upstairs.
You said we're all there.
I know. I found
Today is
them.
good day to be alive.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
No school, a refund, a blizzard.
Why is there a mourning dove? And you know what's even
You
better,
need to go
Mom?
put birdseed in
It's
there.
almost my birthday. You know what that means?
Tell me what day it is.
It's October 13th and there's already more than a foot of 13th.
13th. Today's the 13th.
Alright.
And there's already more than a foot of snow outside.
Yeah. It's crazy.
And it's still snowing.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
You know that we're under a blizzard warning until noon?
Yeah, we've been under a warning. I think it got worse last night, but we were
Yeah,
under
I've been
more.
seeing like.
Because it was going to end Tuesday, but then it got extended.
Yeah.
I've been seeing dust at my window.
Yeah.
Dust of.
Mason, the message said that the road crews were out all night long trying to get the sidewalks and the schools done, and they just could not keep up. I feel
Yeah.
kind of bad for them. I hope they're sleeping.
Yeah. I hope.
So I want a giant snowman when you're done.
Giant one?
I want a big one.
Why?
Okay, you could do six little ones or one big one.
This big.
Okay, go for it.
Let's
Up to my
make one that's waving, so people that
Yeah.
drive by.
All right, tell me when
But
you're
then
ready.
We'll have to make it up there.
Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I just said.
Nope.
Because it's really cold outside.
Yes, you do. Where's that hat?
What hat?
The hat. I may never get them back inside. Guys? Yeah? Okay.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Thanks.
Have fun.
Do you want pants?
Bella, don't be a bossy butt.
Okay, we're mining for some snow to build a house for the snowman.
Sweet. Watching Downtown Abbey for the first time. My best friend just gave me the best tip. She grew up in Utah, so she grew up around a lot of snow. She says, get a water bottle and fill it up with warm water, hot water, and stuff it down your coat. I mean, that's brilliant. I mean, why didn't I do that when I was snowboarding, living in a ski resort for a year? That's just absolutely brilliant. I'm gonna go do that for my kids right now.
And then on a frozen planet,
Yeah.
we crashed our ship and we have trails, and people's been falling through the cracks,
Yeah.
and they've been going insane and dying.
Aw.
And we're the survivors.
So you and Mason are playing that game?
Yeah.
You guys are so cute. Well, if you get super cold, you need to tell me.
We're not cold, that cold.
I'll put some water bottles with warm water and give them to you. You can snuggle up on them.
Could we also go in that field?
Probably.
I need some water.
Mason has figured out how to cut a block of snow out. I don't know what they're doing. They're cracking me up. These two are the most creative friends. Made a pot of chili. Finishing up some rockin' sweet cornbread muffins. Dun, dun, dun. And Mason's blood sugar's low. Giving him some juice. Macy! You're low. Come get this juice. I can't. And the chili's done. Waste it.
Look at those ice crystals.
Yeah. Mason, you're at 63. You need to come in now and get your blood sugar up. No. I've waited long enough. Come on. You're going to pass out in the snow. Looks great, Mason. Here, take it out there. Take a picture. It's named what?
Snan.
Snan?
Yeah.
After I eat, I'll put on snow stuff, but I don't want to yet, okay? You guys didn't... You got a fort? Nice! Look at that fort. Well, maybe you'll get some more snow and you can make it higher.
We still have some snow to put out.
And he's like waving.
Nice.